Welcome back, friends. So today, welcome back to Parijat Sir's classes. So today, this is the second video of the multiple and the submultiple angles. The first video already I have uploaded it. Please go through that, in which I have discussed some very important formulas. I hope you will be going through that, and please before that subscribe my channel and share it. And before starting this particular chapter, I would suggest you that you will first of all go through the formulas of the multiples and the submultiple angles which are given in your book. So first memorize them very nicely, and now today I will be showing you certain applications of those. So first of all, let us find out, see how to find sine 15 degree. So 15 degree how to find? I can write it sine 45 minus 30. This is 15 degree. And this is sine A minus B's formula. So what is sine A minus B? It is sine A cos B minus cos A and sine B. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 30 value is half. So it comes out to be root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So the value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of sine 15 degree. Okay. So after sine 15 degree, let us see how to find cos 15 degree. After sine 15 degree, the second multiple angle, we will see how to find the cos 15 degree. So it is the same way, just you have to know the formulas of that. So cos 15 degree, again we can do cos 45 degree minus 30 degree. So this is what cos A minus B's formula, and the formula is cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. So this is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of cos 15 degree. Clear? This is how we calculate cos 15 degree. So next we will see how to calculate the value of sine 7. So after this, you already have seen how to calculate the sine 15 degree and the cos 15 degree. So you can easily calculate, I think, tan 15 degree. So tan 15 degree, I'll show you. Tan 15 you can also calculate as tan 45 minus 30. So this is what formula? This is tan A minus B's formula. So what is tan A minus B's formula? It's tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3. So this is coming out to be root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So this is the value of tan 15 degree. Clear? Now let us see how to calculate sine 75 degree. Okay, let's see how to calculate sine 75 degree. So 75 degree, how will you calculate? It's 45 plus 30, which is sine A plus B's formula. So it is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, this is 1 by root 2 and this is half. So it is coming out to be root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is sine 75. Similarly, you can calculate the value of cos 75 degree, which will be cos 45 plus 30. So this is cos A plus B, which is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, minus sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is half. So the value comes out to be root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of cos 75 degree. Now in the same way we can calculate tan 75 degree. You can do sin 75 by cos 75, or you can do tan of 45 plus 30. That also you can do. So let's see how to calculate tan 75 degree. So tan 75, I can write tan 45 plus 30. So this is tan A plus B's formula, which is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A and tan B. Clear? So let us put the values. Tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, 1 minus tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So this comes out to be root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So this is the value of tan 75 degree. Clear, friends? So see, the application just requires that you will remember certain formulas. There is nothing very tough in this. You just have to understand that how to use the formulas. One more application, see, suppose I want to calculate sine pi by 12. I want to calculate sine pi by 12. Now what is sine pi by 12? We know pi is 180 degree. So 180 by 12, pi is in radian and degree it is 180. And this is coming out to be sine. So this is coming out to be 15 degree, and 15 degree already, sine 15 degree already we know. So tan pi by 12 is actually sine pi by 12 is actually sine 15 degree. Similarly, cos pi by 12 is actually cos 15 degree. Tan pi by 12 will be actually tan 15 degree, and already I showed you how to calculate these values. Secondly, watch here. If we want to calculate, suppose tan pi by 8. Suppose I want to calculate tan pi by 8. So what is pi by 8? So tan pi is 180 by 8. So which is coming out to be, now 180 by 8 will be what? This will cut out and it will give you the value of 22.5 degree. Pi by 8 will be 22.5 degree. So this is actually what? Tan 45 by 2. Tan 45 by 2. Now what is tan 45? Tan 45 I can write as, I wrote already, we found that tan 45 is tan this 13 plus 15. So let's see how to apply this formula. We want tan 45 by 2. Now we know tan theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Tan theta is 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So let us assume that theta is 45 by 2. Let us assume theta is 45 by 2. So tan 45, 2 tan 45 by 2 by 1 minus tan square 45 by 2. Okay. So tan 45 we know the value as 1. So 1 into this is 1 minus tan square 45 by 2 is equal to 2 tan 45 by 2. So let's take tan 45. Let's take tan 45 by 2 as x. Let's take tan 45 by 2 as x. So what we can write? So we can write it as 1 minus x square equal to 2x. That is x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So let us calculate this. X is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. So it is 4 by 2a. So which is coming out to be minus 2 plus minus 8. Root over 8 means it is 2 root 2 by 2. So which is coming out to be minus 1 plus minus root 2. Now here two values are there. One is I can take minus 1 minus root 2, and one is I can take minus 1 plus root 2. So tan 45 is in the first quadrant where it will be positive. So I have to take root 2 minus 1. Now x was what? X was, I took x as tan 45 by 2. So tan 45 by 2 came out to be root 2 minus 1. Okay. So what we were finding tan 45 by 2. So tan 45 by 2 value is root 2 minus 1. So you are seeing that how the application is going. In this way we can apply it for any other formulas, which we will be continuing in the third video to follow. Okay. So keep watching and keep liking my video, and I'll be uploading further submultiple and multiple angles. So in that you will be able to find out further more applications of these. Okay. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.